Say that again?
The water in the coffee cup holders is up to the top. This is what I was going to return, and all right, let me see. Nah, nothing. Okay.
Not even trying, huh?
Yep.
All those electronics nowadays.
What fun.